Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language for class 4. Today we are continuing with chapter number 13 and we will be discussing question number 7. We will learn how to join sentences using which. So let us have a look at the first sentence that we have. We bought some nuts. We ate them in the evening. Now, which is basically used when we are joining sentences and we use it when we talk about things. So when we talk about things, we need to look at both the sentences. So when we look at the first sentence, we know that we are talking about nuts. Okay, N-U-T-S, nuts. So when we talk about things and we have to join sentences using which, what do? We write the first sentence as it is, and from the second sentence we remove the word that is used instead of the thing. Like for example, in the first sentence we were talking about nuts. So what do? When we join both the sentences, we join both the sentences and we use which in the middle or in the center of both the sentences. But from the second sentence, the word that is used instead of nuts is removed. So when we look at the second sentence, we read, we ate them in the evening. So what did we eat? We ate nuts. And what was the word that was used instead of nuts? It was them. So what do? We remove them. And we join the answer. So let us see what our answer is. We bought some nuts. So what did I tell you? To join both the sentences, in the center and between both the sentences, we use the word which. Which, and then we write the second sentence. Which we ate in the evening. Now, let us look at the second example. The thief entered through a window. So again we are talking about a thing over here. A window. And it was open. This is the second sentence. So what is the word that is used instead of the thing? That is a window. So what's the word? It was open. So over here, it is the word that is used instead of window. So what do? First of all, we write the first sentence as it is. The thief entered through a window, and then to join both the sentences, we add the word which. So we add which over here, and after removing the word that is used instead of the thing, we add the remaining words, that was open. So what's our answer? The thief entered through a window which was open. Now after having a look at the third example, let's see what we have to do. She bought some apples. So what are we talking about? We are talking about some apples. They cost 30 rupees each. So what are we talking about? We are talking about a thing, that is some apples, and in the second sentence, the word that is used instead of the thing is they. So what do? We write the answer. She bought some apples, and then we add the joining word which. And after removing the word they, we write the remaining words left, which cost 30 rupees each. So I hope children, you have understood how to join sentences using the word which. Thank you.